Math test mix-up.
Math test mix-up.
Emily couldn't wait to get her math test back.
Emily couldn't wait to get her math test back.
She had studied hard and knew she had done well.
She had studied and she had done well.
Mrs. Mead handed back all the tests, but Emily did. Mrs. Mead handed back all the tests, but Emily didn't get her test.
Mr. Mead handed back all the tests, but Emily did not get her test.
Joe didn't get his test either.
Joe didn't get his test either.
I have 2 tests without names, Mrs. Mead said.
I had 2 tests without names, Mr. Mead said.
Do you know which test is yours?
Do you know which test is yours?
Mrs. Mead asked Emily and Joe.
Mr. Mead asked me and Joe.
Emily and Joe looked at the paper.
Emily and Joe looked at the papers.
One test had 1 mistake, but the other had 15 mistakes.
One test had 1 mistake, but the other had 15 mistakes.
Emily reached for the paper with 1 mistake.
Emily reached for a paper with 1 mistake.
This one is mine, she said.
This one is mine, she said.
Joe said, No, I think it's mine.
Joe said, No, I think it's mine.
It looks like my writing, Emily said.
It looked like my writing, Emily said.
It looks like mine too, Joe said.
It looked like mine too, Joe said.
Emily frowned and said,
Emily frowned and said,
I know it's mine.
I know it's mine.
Your name isn't on it, Joe said.
Your name is on it, Joe said.
Neither is yours, Emily said back.
And that is yours, Emily said back.
Neither is yours, Emily said back. There's only one thing to do since you can't decide, Mrs. Mead said.
There's only one thing to do, then you can decide, Mr. Mead said.
What's that? Emily and Joe asked.
What's that? Emily and Joe asked.
You'll both have to take the test again, Mrs. Mead said.
You both had to make the test again, Mr. Mead said.
Emily and Joe groaned.
Emily and Joe groaned.
This time, please follow all the directions, Mrs. Mead said.
This time, please follow all the directions, Mr. Mead said.
This time, please follow all the directions, Mrs. Mead said. First, write your name on your paper.
First, write your name on the paper.
Then, answer the questions.
Then, answer the question.
When you're finished, bring me your test, Mrs. Mead said.
When you finish, bring me the test, Mr. Mead said.
Emily thought the test was easy.
Emily thought the test is easy.
She didn't miss any questions.
She didn't miss any question.
Joe thought it was hard.
Joe thought it was hard.
He missed 12 questions.
He missed 2 questions.
Emily said, "Next time, I'll put my name on my paper."
Emily said, next time I put my name on the paper.
Joe said, "Next time, I'll study for the test."
Joe said, next time I will study for the test.
"I could help you study," Emily offered.
I can help you study, Emily offered.
"Would you?" Joe asked.
Would you? Joe asked.
"Then maybe I'll do as well as you," he added.
Then I will do as well as you, he added.